Hi travellers, so today we're taking a look at a comparison between the deep grid cotton linen towel from Outlier and the grid linen towel from Outlier. Now I've been testing this one for quite a few years. You can see my previous review of that one if you do click the link in the top right corner. But this one I've just recently been trying, and basically they are very similar in how they absorb, how they feel. They're both very soft, very nice. This one perhaps slightly, just ever so slightly a bit rougher, but still very comfortable, nice and easy to absorb water from yourself at the beach or even as a normal towel. This one definitely feels a bit softer, a bit more like a normal cotton towel, but it also has those benefits of the linen, which is woven in with the mixed fabric. Now, the sizes of these two towels are fairly similar, as you can see. This one does feel a bit bigger, I guess, because of the dimensions. It's a bit more similar to a regular sized bath towel. This one's a bit more compact, and as you can see, this one as well. This one rolls up very small and very compact. So if you're looking for a really small towel that rolls up very small and compact to carry in your backpack or in a beach bag, this is definitely the one I recommend. I haven't tried this one at the beach yet, but this one, the sand doesn't stick to it. When you put it on the sand and pick it up, the sand just rolls straight off, so the sand doesn't stick to it. This one, as I said, it's a little bit thicker, but when you roll them up, it's not like the biggest difference in the world, but I can definitely say that this one is a bit lighter and a bit more compact overall. They both do have this loop here, which is sort of in the middle of the towel, which makes it very handy if you just want to hang it after you've used it to dry, and you can hang it from this point, and it definitely is very convenient to have that. Also has the Outlier logo there, so this is the L size, as you can see. This is also made in New York City. Now this one, as you can see, is also the L size, made in New York City. But this one, as you can see as well, is definitely more well used. I've definitely used this one for many years, and it still looks and feels very nice. As you can see, there's perhaps a slight discoloring in the fabric there, but you can see that the color overall is still very nice. And it's still just as absorbent as when I first got it. Now this one as well, it has a very nice soft fabric, and the texture is very nice and absorbent as well. So they both are very quick drying. I would say this one perhaps a little bit more than this one, just because the fabric on this one is a little sort of thinner and therefore can dry quicker, whereas this is a thicker fabric. But again, they do both dry quicker than cotton towels, and they are both very nice towels. I'm looking forward to trying this one at the beach, but unfortunately it's just started to come into winter here. Definitely both really great towels for traveling. This one probably being my favorite overall, in terms of being both beach and at home use, and the most packable and small. This one as well, a very nice addition. I've been using it recently as my at home sort of bath towel. And it is very nice, very well made, and I definitely recommend checking out if you are in the market for a linen or cotton linen towel. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for the next video.